Are you trying to decide between Mattermost, Rocket.Chat, and Slack? You are in the right place. Today, we'll compare these three popular messaging tools to help you find the best fit for your team. All three tools focus on team communication. They help groups chat, share files, and collaborate in real time, but each has its unique features and strengths. Let's start with Mattermost. This tool is great for teams that want control. It's open source, meaning you can customize it to fit your needs. Mattermost allows you to host your own server, giving you full control over your data. It also offers strong security features, which is a big plus for many organizations. Now, let's talk about Rocket Chat. Like Mattermost, Rocket.Chat is also open source. This means you can tweak it to your liking. It's known for its flexibility and integrates well with other tools. Rocket.Chat also offers video conferencing and voice calls, making it a good choice for teams that need more than just text chat. Finally, we have Slack. This tool is very popular and user friendly. It offers a clean interface and many integrations with other apps. Slack is great for teams that want a simple setup and quick communication. However, it's not open source, so you don't have the same level of control as with the other two. When it comes to key differences, Mattermost and Rocket.Chat offer more customization and control. Slack is easier to use but may not suit teams needing high security or data control. In terms of pricing, Mattermost and Rocket.Chat often provide free options, especially for small teams. Slack has a free version too, but its premium features can get pricey. So, who should choose what? If you need control and security, go for Mattermost or Rocket.Chat. If you want ease of use and a friendly interface, Slack might be your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.